fish on. Looks like a nice steelhead. Oh no, it looks like a bass. Yep. Smallie. Alright, buddy. Come here, bud. Nice smallie. Nice little smallie, look at that. I didn't hook him right, but or some kind of shad. No, it's a sucker. Come here, thing. Hello YouTube community, welcome again. I hope everybody's doing well. So this is my second day at Canandaway Creek. As you guys saw, already caught a bass, smallmouth bass, and the little sucker. That's the only thing I can see in here. I can see suckers. I started above a little bit, ways up. There's some train tracks up here, so started fishing up here. Let's see what we could get into. Yesterday's conditions were terrible. I mean, I fished for a little bit, but I didn't catch anything. So see if today is a better day. It's a beautiful day out here. So that's it for today. Fished up here in Canandaway Creek twice. One yesterday, and yesterday was muddy, was blown up, but I still fished. So today I ended up fishing above, a little ways up, and then I caught that smallmouth you saw, and then I snagged, I didn't intentionally do it, a sucker. So one sucker and one bass. So this is pretty cool. I did see a bunch of suckers. So that means, you know, possibly this steelhead stuff is coming to a conclusion up here, Canandaway Creek. I could be wrong. So, but anyways, it was fun just to be out here. So hey, listen, get out there and enjoy God's great outdoors, running, fishing, hiking, whatever else you like. I'll see you guys on the next video.